if I can't let you go, will darkness divide? For the fiction of love is the truth of our lives. We were playing for keeps, but we both knew the cost. Now the only way out in your heart-shaped box. But I hate that it seemed you were never enough. We were broken and bleeding, but never gave up. And I hate that I made you the enemy. And I hate that your heart was the casualty. Now I hate that I need you. As we rest here alone, like notes on a page, the finest to compose could not play our pain. With a candle through time, I could still see your ghost, but I can't close my eyes for it. For it is there where you haunt me most. I hate that it seemed you were never enough. We were broken and bleeding, but never gave up. And I hope that I sing through your memory as we echo through time in the melody. Now I hate that I need you, and I hear you now when you say